Hello friends, today we start a small sum and sum number that is 5. So in sum number 5, it is given that Mahesh received his share 4 times of Pandya, while Bajpai received half of shares of Mehta. Profit of the firm at the end of the year is 87,500. Determine the shares in profit of each partner. So total profit is given here. First of all, find the ratio between the partners. So Mehta receives his shares 4 times of Pandya. Okay, so we assume here the ratio of Pandya. So question number 5 now. Question number 5. Now we can assume here 1, 2, 3, 4 any figure. Okay, but if we assume here 100, then it is good for calculation. So we here assume that 100. So here it is given that Mehta received his shares 4 times of Pandya. So we assume here Pandya that for 100. We can assume here any value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 100, 1000, whatever. Okay, but 100 is a round figure, so it is easy to calculate here. So we assume here Pandya equals to 100. Now in this case that given that Mehta received his shares 4 times of Pandya. So Mehta receives 4 times of Pandya means 100 into 4, that is 400. Okay. Next one is given here, while Bajpai received half of shares of Mehta. So third partners, that is a Bajpai, half of Mehta. Okay. So 400 into 1 by 2. So here value is 2 to the 4, value is 200. So ratio is here 100 raised to 400 raised to 200. So you can cancel the last 2 0 in all the values. So ratio is 1 raised to 4 raised to 2. So this is a reduced form of ratio, that is 1 raised to 4 raised to 2. Now here profit of the firm is 87,500. Now this divide this 87,500 in this ratio. So first one for Pandya. So Pandya's profit that is a profit of the firm, that is a 87,500 into 1 divided by 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. So here 7 1 is 7. So 87,500 first of all, value is here 87,500. So 87,500 divided by 7, value is 12,500. Value is 12,500 into 1. So here value is 12,500. Second partner is Mehta. Mehta's profit is equal to 87,500 into 4 divided by 7. So 7 divided by this value is 12,500. 12,500 multiplied by 4. Value is 50,000. So here value is 50,000 for partner Mehta. Third partner is Bajpai. Bajpai's profit is equal to 87,500 into 2 divided by 7. So if you cancel this value, value is 12,500. Now 12,500 multiplied by 2, value is 25,000. So your value is 25,000. So all the three partners' profit is Pandya's profit 12,500, Mehta's profit 50,000, and Bajpai profit is 25,000. So here profit is calculated here. So this sum is over now. Now we go for sum number 6. So in sum number 6, question is given here. Profit of the partnership firm of Sheila, Surbi and Sanket is 1,35,000. They have shares profit in the ratio of 2:1:3 instead of 3:3. Okay, so 3:3 is the right ratio, and 2:1:3 is the wrong ratio. So we rectify this error and giving the entry. What accounting treatment is to be given to the capital account to rectify the error? Okay. So you have to rectify this, rectify the mistake with the help of entry. Okay. So now here total profit is 1,35,000. So profit is 1,35,000. Now here three partners, that is first partner is Sheila, second partner Surbhi, and third partner Sanket. So this 1,35,000. So divide this in the correct ratio. And correct ratio is here given, that is a 3:3. So 3:3. Ratio is 3:2:3. Now here value is 1,35,000. Now 1,35,000 into 3 multiplied by 3 divided by 3 plus 3 6 7 8. So divided by 8. Value is 50,625 is recorded here. Now for Surbhi, 1,35,000 into 2 divided by 3 plus 3 6 7 8. So divided by 8. Value is 33,750. Next one, that is a 1,35,000 multiplied by 3 divided by 8. Value is 50,625. So that is the correct ratio between all the partners. Now we take a wrong ratio. So wrong ratio, and wrong ratio is given here 2:1:3. So here 2:1:3. Now amount is 1,35,000 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 divided by 6. Value is here 45,000. Next that is a 1,35,000 multiplied by 1 divided by 6. Value is 22,500. For third partner, 1,35,000 into 3 divided by 6. Value is 67,500. Now this is a minus value because it is wrong. Now find the amount here. So here first value is 50,625. 50,625 minus this value 45,000. Minus value is 45,000. Here value is 5625. 5625. Next value is, that is a 33,750. 33,750 minus this value 22,500. Minus 22,500. Here value is 11,250. So 11,250 is the answer. Now here 50,625 minus 67,500. Minus 67,500. Value is minus 16875. So this is a minus value and this is a plus value. Okay. So now here entry is minus value is debited and plus value is credited. So here entry is Sanket account debit, Sanket capital account debit 16875, and here 2, that is the value is here Sheila's capital account. Here value is 5625, and here 2 Surbi's capital account. Here amount is 11,250. So wrong ratio is minus from the right ratio. So right ratio is this and wrong ratio is this. So here minus value should be debited and plus value should be credited. So entry is here Sanket's capital account debit to Sheila's capital account to Surbi's capital account. Okay. So now here sixth sum is over. Next sum is in next video. Thanks a lot.